Are you a useless kid who's got nothing better to do other than watch videos on YouTube and your parents are actually regretting giving birth to you? Well, you are just welcome here on this YouTube channel. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. There is a very strong thunderstorm, or should I say a typhoon currently, and we are currently on signal number 4 and it's currently very cold in here. I just wanted to share this to you. Breaking fucking news. It is currently 65 degrees in here, Fahrenheit, and it is very cold because there is a typhoon in our country and it is very strong, that it is capable of taking out all the pain in your heart. And so you should give your heart into it. Let it take the pain in your heart and take your life away.
Oh no.
Take the pain away. I suggest that you all be safe in your shelters. Have enough food so that you won't die of hunger. Have enough water so you won't die of dehydration. Just you will die under normal circumstances, such as very cold and very strong winds. This wind is very strong and it is very fast, much faster than Usain Bolt. And it is very cold. It's like you're living in the body of a penguin in the Antarctica under the frozen ice. And since we know that 2020 is already fucked up, who would have thought that it will get more fucked up? It's not just fucked up, it's fucked up in the next level. So yeah, good luck and stay safe. Fucking 2020. 2020, when will you get better? Please get better now. It's currently very strong in here. And I think it is a perfect time to drink tea. So if you thought that 2020 won't get worse, it just did. And currently we are facing the strongest typhoon this year. I was supposed to make a story time video, but unfortunately it's raining and my cat is here. And since it's raining very strong right now, I got nothing better to do other than to vlog this day and make sure you get another minute or more than 5 minutes of your time wasted because you are watching yet another one of my worst, boring and normal videos about my day. Since it's really raining so hard. I mean, it's not raining hard, it's just dark with very strong winds. So the wind is stronger than Naruto, but I am stronger than Naruto, so I don't care. So I just took off my face mask and for some reason it feels very oily, even though the ingredients doesn't have any oil or cooking oil or olive oil or canola oil. So I got nothing to do right now other than to shut up and end this video. Thank you for watching this boring vlog, and it's not raining anymore. So yeah, thank you for watching. What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Or should I say, good morning. Today it's not raining anymore, but it's very sunny, but it's still very cloudy. And since I've got nothing better to do other than vlog, and since I have nothing better to do other than the vlog this day, which is very boring, I am going to pretend like we are friends. I mean, we are friends. Like, I'm just going to pretend that we totally know each other, just to make this video long, because I don't want a very short video. And the longer the video, the better. And the longer the video, more people would watch, and more watch time is equals to more chance to being monetized. So yeah, let's go. Let's be friends. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. It's currently almost nighttime and the day is coming to an end. So I just wanted to share this very beautiful landscape. Very, very beautiful landscape, because it's currently colorful in the sky and there are lots of birds flying. I don't know why they are flying. I guess they just want to fly. Just like me, I just want to talk in this camera, even though you probably don't care. So yeah. Why is my camera so fucking low quality? I know it doesn't look too pretty. It's because my camera is very low quality, but it's actually very beautiful on its own without the camera. Oh my god, it's a big bird. It may look small because, well, it may look small because of the camera, but it's actually very big. So come on, let's go inside. And yeah, I'm gonna give you a short montage because people seems to like a montage. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today it is currently nighttime and I've got nothing to do because I just finished everything I have to do. It's actually 12 a.m. Why, you asked? Why am I still awake at 12 a.m.? Because I did some of my assignments and projects. I answered some questions on my textbook and I have to pass it next week, so it's better to do things earlier. And also I planned some shit on my YouTube channel, my future YouTube videos, like this. I don't know if you can see, but these are one of the videos I will post in the future, I guess. And I am very, very much excited to share all of these videos with you guys. So I suggest you to subscribe to my channel. You know, I'm actually getting kind of sad sometimes because like my videos only gets 30 or even just normal 50 views, and sometimes it doesn't even go there, and not everyone finishes the video. So if you finish the video, you are a legend. How about you? How do you spend your rainy days? Because me, I spend my rainy days vlogging and drinking tea and like just doing nothing. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're interested. So
Yeah. Bye.